Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be sharing with you everything you need for you to get set for the 1.6 KYC. I'll tell you how you could become a validator, and also I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to create wallet, all in this particular video. That means you'll be able to watch to this very end. And as you can see here, currently I have mine 69 Ruby, and I have 13 people, but 9 currently they are active. Let me quickly show you. I always remind my referrals to always my, and what you can actually do in that particular space is just to tap on view all, so you could see now. So this will send a reminder notification to them all. That is how you can always do to remind all your referrals. You could see my having 1 hour and some few minutes left. So let's go back. So if you come to this particular place, you will see, let me tap on my user verification, and let me go to my KYC. You will see that as at now, I've met up with all criterias. Now I'm only waiting for invitation. And if we are waiting for invitation for you to be able to be one of the early access for people that will be sent, the invitation will be sent to, you need to watch this my particular video. In that particular video, I was able to share what you need to know for you to for so that the Ruby team will be able to send you early access. So I'll drop in that particular video in the description and also in the comment of this video. So you need to watch this particular video. We say step by step Rubi KYC 1.6 request guide. You just need to watch it. Yes, and if you haven't started mining Ruby, I'll be dropping my link and the referral code in the description of this particular video so you could get started. And from the Ruby team, we have been told that the 1.6 verification will start at around June or July, but they were told that majorly around mid-June. So currently we'll be expecting the KYC invitation any moment from now. That's why you just need to watch that particular video to see what you just need to do. The setup you just need to set up so that you'll be able to participate, because there are a lot of they are onboarding currently a lot of validator. And if you want to become a validator, you just need to watch this my particular video, this other one, and also I'll be dropping it in the comment and in the description of this particular video on how to become a validator. You need to watch this my particular video here. I'll be dropping it so that you know what you need to know and things you need to do for you to become a validator, the step by step, the criteria you need to meet up with. You could see now that currently I was able to purchase 50 Ruby. Yes, I've been able to purchase because for your verification process to be fast, you need to send some Ruby to the validator so that they could be able to validate your KYC ASAP. Yes, and the Ruby you'll be needing is not this one that you are seeing here. No, you need to have Ruby deposited in your wallet here. And that is why before I finish the video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to create your wallet. You could see everyone has an e-wallet. Yeah, this is the code that you will use to tap, that you'll be sending so that you'll be able to buy if you are buying Ruby. And if you want to buy Ruby, I have a legit vendor in my community. So I'll be dropping my community link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Kindly join and just comment, I want to buy Ruby. And I'll be linking you with that particular vendor so that you'll be able to buy Ruby. As we are being told, just go and watch all my video. I'll be dropping all my video that I've created about Ruby. I'll be dropping it in the description of this video so that you could know, because we have been told that you will need some certain Ruby for you to fast track. I think it's starting from around 4 Ruby. If you use 4 Ruby, I think they were told that you take a week or 8 days or 14 days thereabout before your KYC will be verified. And if you use around maybe 8 or 7 Ruby, it will take just 24 hours. So my suggestion is that you should buy at around at least at around 4 to 10 Ruby in your wallet, and it will be a good thing if you can just buy Ruby and keep. So if you want to buy Ruby to keep for future posts, I tell you, you can just come to my community and just buy from this particular vendor that will be selling. So if you want to create your e-wallet just like this, to have your Ruby in your wallet, so that anytime that the KYC you are being invited, you can actually use it to fast track your KYC process. So what you just need to do is to come to this place and tap I am ready and use your C phrase. Yes, you tap I'm ready. You see here, you can create new account if you do not have an account. But if you have an account, you can either use your C phrase, QR code, or this particular one that say hash code. I have my C phrase here, which I'll be using. So let me quickly pause the video and I'll be showing you when I have imported my wallet. So yes, as you can see now, I've actually imported my wallet using my C phrase. Let's look if the Ruby I sent have actually come. So you can see this asterisk, meaning I'm not revealing my wallet, but let me reveal it now. When I tap on this eye, something that looks like an eye icon here, it will reveal my wallet. So yes, now you could see now that I have this 50 Ruby, yeah, and you could see another Ruby gem here. But this is the particular Ruby you will need for that you'll be sending for you to actually fast track your KYC verification. So just follow the process, and if you want to send, you could actually tap here. If you want to send if you want to receive Ruby, you tap here. That's where you'll be able to copy your wallet. You can tap on this copy, you'll be able to copy your wallet there. And another thing you can do is that if you want to send, let's say you want to send, when you tap on this your sends here, you actually put the person's wallet address, like the one I showed you. You put it here, you put it somewhere here, then you'll be able to send. So like what I say, if you still want to buy your Ruby for your KYC verification, kindly join my community and I will be sending you the Ruby after you have made the payment. We are selling way more cheaper than where you can buy in any place. So kindly drop your comment if you have any question you want to ask in the comments section. And make sure you like, subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.